Hi there, today we will be walking you through the Southwestern College application. Start by going to www.swccd.edu. Once on our webpage, click on Apply and Register on the upper right-hand side. You will be given two options, submitting an application for credit courses or non-credit courses. Today, we will be going over the application for credit courses. If you have previously applied to Southwestern College but missed a spring or fall semester, click on Returning Students Apply Register to resubmit a Southwestern College application. If this is your first time applying to Southwestern College, click on the top option for new students. Explore, Apply, Register for credit courses. You will then be taken to OpenCCC, the California Community College's application portal. If you have previously created an account with OpenCCC, you can use your previous credentials to log in. If you have not previously created an account, click on Create a New Account. Before you begin creating your account with OpenCCC, you must have an email address. Here is a list of resources to create an email address. If you already have one, click on Begin Creating My Account. There are 3 steps to create your account. First, you will enter your first name, middle name, last name. If you do not have a middle name, you can check this box if you do not have a middle name. Second, you will enter your date of birth twice. And third, this is the Social Security number section. If you have a Social Security number, click Yes, I have a Social Security number or taxpayer identification number. It will then prompt you to enter your 9-digit Social Security number. If you do not have a Social Security number, click No, I do not have a Social Security number or taxpayer identification number, or I decline to provide one at this time, and click Continue. In this section, you will enter your email address. Please make sure it is a personal email address that is checked regularly and not a high school email. Continue with entering your phone number. And lastly, read through the permanent address section and fill it out as it pertains to you. Once complete, click Continue. Next, you must create a username and password. Please read the instructions thoroughly and write down your username and password. You will continue with creating a security PIN. Choose any 4-digit personal identification number. You will use this PIN if you need to recover your account. Continue with creating security questions. You can also use these security questions to recover your account. Click on I am not a robot, and once complete, click on Create My Account. Upon creating your account, you will be given a CCC ID number. Please keep that for your records. Now click Continue. You will now be taken to your CCC MyPath portal. In your portal, you will see 4 cards you can explore. In step 1, you can take a virtual tour and view important events. In step 2, you can learn about Southwestern College updates and available resources. In step 3, you can explore fields of study available at Southwestern College or take a career assessment if you are unsure of what career or major you want to pursue. You are now ready to complete your Southwestern College application under step 4. Click on Apply for Credit Courses. A window will then open up. Click on Apply for Credit Courses again. On this next page, enter your last name, Social Security number, the term you're applying for, and then click Submit. Now click on Southwestern College Online Application. You will be taken to the CCC Apply webpage again. Click on Sign In. Because you're already signed in, it will take you directly to start the Southwestern College application. Click on Start a New Application. Now you will begin your Southwestern College application. Here you will enter your enrollment information. First, you will select the term you are applying for. Next, you will select your educational goal. Now you'll select your major category. The major category is where your major or program would fall under. Once you select the major category, you will see all the majors and programs of study available under that category. Once complete, click Continue. Next, review your account information to ensure it is correct. If your mailing address is the same as the permanent address in your OpenCCC account you just reviewed, you can click on My mailing address is the same as the permanent address in my OpenCCC account above. Then click Continue. We are now on the education section. Again, please read each question carefully. For college enrollment status, you will see 3 options. If you are a current high school senior, choose first-time student in college after leaving high school. For high school education, you will be given a few options. Please select the one that pertains to you. If you are a high school senior, please select Received High School Diploma from U.S. School. You will now enter your high school completion date and answer the following 2 questions. Next, you will select the option that pertains to you under Last High School Attended. And finally, you will enter your high school transcript information, unweighted GPA, highest English course completed, and highest math course completed. Then click Continue. Next, you will go through the citizenship and military section. Select what best corresponds to you from the drop-down menus. Then click Continue. Now you will answer questions regarding residency. Please read each question carefully. Once complete, click Continue. In the Needs and Interests section, you will answer some yes or no questions. Please read them carefully, select any programs and services you may be interested in, and click Continue. Here you will answer some demographic questions. Select the best answer that corresponds to you from the drop-down menus. Lastly, select your race and ethnicity. Once complete, click Continue. If you are a high school senior that is part of the next graduating class, answer the first supplemental question. The second question is only for students who are considered DreamAct students. For the third question, make sure to enter your high school ID number if you attend any of the high schools listed. Once this section is complete, click Continue. Now it is time to review your application. Click Review My Application. Once you have reviewed your application, move on to Request for Consent to Release Information. Read this thoroughly and make the appropriate selection. Scroll down to submit your application. You want to read this information carefully and make the appropriate selections. Once you're ready to submit your application, click Submit My Application. You've completed the Southwestern College online application. Your next step is to wait between 24 to 48 hours to receive your Southwestern College credentials through your email. If you have any questions or would like support in completing the Southwestern College application, please see the video description below for information on how to reach us.